Bitcoin weekly update, August 9th, 2026. Gonna go over Bitcoin with a top-down analysis and see what's going on for this week. Starting with the monthly time frame on Bitcoin, as price action goes up and down, goes up here, then drops down. Back from October, and it consistently keeps on going down till about June. Got a little bit of rebounded it back up in July, and now we're starting in August with a small gain. We'll see how this goes, but it actually did come down and got this liquidity down here, and now it's trying to fight its way back up. Let's see if it keeps on going back up to this high, lower high right here, or if it comes down to this low back here. So those are the two places to look for. On the weekly time frame, we got price, of course, going up, came back down, showing weakness. Here's a 200 MA. We are literally on the 200 MA. So this is indecision, and you can see it's going sideways, just consolidating here. Went back down, it came back up to rebound a little bit, and then it's slowly inching its way back up. So we have some just consolidation going on, sideways action, so we don't know exactly what's going to happen, if it's going to fail or if it's going to pump. So we'll just have to keep on watching this for this week and see if we can get a reaction. On a daily time frame, we are under the 200 MA. Under this yellow 200 MA, and each low is getting lower, getting lower. So that's showing weakness right now. Not seeing a bottom just as of yet, but if we do see this price action getting above this 200 MA, that will be an increase. That will be showing strength. So might be a double bottom and a blast off from here, so that's a unique possibility. On an hour time frame, we're just going sideways, consolidating right here. So we just have to sit and wait and see where price wants to go from here. Let's go to see what the CME Gaps are showing. Same ones as before. Got CME Gaps up in a 78,000 range and the $84,000 range. So they're just hanging there for weeks upon weeks. And we're just have to see when it's going to, price is going to go right back up to it. Should happen eventually, but we just don't know when. Now let's see where we go when we put it with trend lines. Trend lines, been going downtrend mostly overall. Lower highs, lower highs. Now let's see if we're going to get another lower high here and come back down here, or if we're going to get a pump back up. So we have two probabilities: sideways, pump back up, or sideways and pump back down. So we have to keep an eye on that. Right now we're just on top of 200 MA, so this is consolidation, accumulation. So this is no movement, so we can't make a judgment on what to do from here on out, at least for now. If we look at the time frames, multiple time frames from the 1 day, we got a bearish because the price will be under the 200 MA. We're bullish and bullish on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, and we're bearish on the smaller time frames. So if these turn green, we'll see pump up here, and then eventually hopefully we can get consistency going on an upside to turn this green for a overall bullish trend, but to maybe 80,000, but that remains to be seen. This week we're going to have two news drivers going on. So we have CPI and PPI on Wednesday and Thursday. So those are 2 days to note on some movement that may happen. or consolidation until the reports actually come out. So Monday might be not much volume, but Tuesday may have some movement, and then slow down to see what these reports are going to show. And then Friday, we'll see what happens on that time. But that'll be a weekly report for Bitcoin on August 9th, 2026.